Today we're going to cook kimchi minced pork. It is another easy recipe. Marinate 1 bowl of minced pork with 1 tablespoon of shaoxing wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Do not add too much soy sauce as kimchi can be salty, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix and set it aside for half an hour. We also need 1 bowl of chopped kimchi and 2 teaspoons each of minced garlic and ginger. We start by frying the ginger. Add garlic and fry until fragrant. Add kimchi and fry for about 20 seconds. Add minced pork. Add the sauce from kimchi. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add half a bowl of water. Let it simmer until cooked for about 4 minutes. Add some dark soy sauce for color. And some sugar to taste. Add some cornstarch solution to thicken the sauce. Enjoy.